you've been monitoring my social media recently, you'll have seen that I am currently with my normal job and I'm on a British Army camp down in Wiltshire. And I went on a walk around on a resources run. I found a dead cedar tree, so I stripped some of the bark off. Now, the cedar bark is brilliant off the tree because it can actually be used as natural cordage, but that's not what I'm using it for. So what I've done is I've stripped it all down and I've made a bird's nest, and I've got a little bit here. So I'm going to show you what you can actually use cedar bark for in terms of getting a fire going. Okay, so here's my bird's nest, and what I've done is I've kept a little bit more, and what this is going to be doing is making sort of like the finer tinder. So with this, what we do is we'll break it up by hand, and you'll get all of this sort of like dust anyway, but that's by the by, it doesn't really matter. And what we're doing here is we're breaking the fibres up even further from them strips, and as you can see already, it's starting to turn into this like really fine powder. So I'm going to keep doing that until the whole bundle's done. As you can see, it's like this really fine, but it's kind of like reminds us a little bit of like broken down jute twine. And rewind the video back a little bit more if you want to see what James done with it. But if you want to have a look at the jute twine, check the alternative fire starter videos, and I've done one on there. Okay, so what this is going to do is I'm going to put this down to one side. So now I've done that, I'm now going to fluff it up a little bit, and I'm going to get James's ferro rod, and then just let that get that going. And that's then going to go into the main one. It doesn't matter if it goes out. And there we'll have it. Cedar bundle. So that's using natural tinders and using a ferro rod there. And this burns for quite a while. So turn it over to engulf itself. Just don't burn your hand.